Are you tired of working long hours for someone else? Do you want a way to make extra money that doesn't drain your time? Imagine starting an online side hustle that can bring real cash, fast. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest way to start your own online side hustle. It's beginner-friendly, no experience needed, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to start earning. Why start an online side hustle? Let's face it, traditional jobs limit your income and your freedom. You trade hours for dollars, and when you want to grow, there's a glass ceiling. An online side hustle breaks those chains. It gives you control. You decide your hours, your income, your growth. The best part? You can start small, from home, even with no technical skills. And with the right system, you can scale fast. But here's the secret. Most people fail because they overcomplicate it. They get stuck trying to build a website, find products, or waste time on things that don't matter. I'm going to cut through all that noise. Step 1. Pick a simple business model. For beginners, the fastest way to start is with dropshipping. No inventory, no shipping headaches. You sell products online, but a supplier handles the rest. You focus on marketing and sales. Shopify makes this process seamless. With one click, you can connect your store to suppliers and start selling immediately. No tech skills? No problem. Shopify's platform is user-friendly and built for beginners. Step 2. Find winning products. Don't waste time trying to sell everything. Focus on trending, high-demand products that solve real problems. You can find these products on platforms like AliExpress or use Shopify's own product tools. Look for items with good reviews and proven sales. This step is crucial because your product choice determines your success. Step 3. Build your online store. This is where Shopify shines. No complicated coding or design needed. Shopify offers beautiful, ready-made templates that you can customize easily. Set up your store in hours, not weeks. Make sure your store looks professional, because people judge credibility in seconds. Step 4. Drive traffic. A store without visitors is like a car without fuel. You need people to see your products. Start with social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Learn how to target your ideal customers. Shopify even integrates with these platforms to make ad creation simple. Remember, small daily ad budgets can go a long way when done right. Step 5. Scale your business. Once you start making sales, reinvest your profits to grow. Expand your product range, optimize your ads, focus on customer service. Build email lists to create repeat buyers. This is where your side hustle transforms into a full-time income source. Why Shopify is your best choice? If you want to avoid tech headaches and start fast, Shopify is the answer. It's the world's leading e-commerce platform. Millions of entrepreneurs trust Shopify for its ease and power. Plus, Shopify's tools automate much of the process, from payment processing to shipping. And their customer support is top-notch, ready to help you 24/7. Look, you don't have to figure out everything alone. Shopify gives you a proven system to launch and grow. So if you're ready to take action, click the Shopify link in the description and comments. Start your free trial today. This could be the first step toward financial freedom you've been waiting for. Starting an online side hustle doesn't have to be complicated. The fastest path is to choose a simple business model like dropshipping. Use tools like Shopify to launch fast. Focus on one product and one marketing channel at first. Most importantly, don't wait for perfect conditions. Start small, learn as you go, and scale. Remember, every big business started with a first step. So are you ready to take yours? Click that Shopify link now and start building the life you deserve. Don't forget to check the link in the description and comments. Shopify is your partner in making your online side hustle real. Try it now for free. Start today and watch your income grow.